Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Citra Cahyaning Pertiwi with the last number 010. Here I will present my research planning about the profile of senior high school students' creative thinking skill in problem solving on sequence and series material based on mathematical ability. So first, about introduction, the development of science and technology is very fast, complicated, and full of challenge. So in this situation, we need to improve the logical, critical, and creative thinking ability and skill. So this state supported in the curriculum 2006, BSNP 2006, which state that the ability to think creatively is needed to master science in the future. The creative thinking ability can recognize, can found, and can develop in education. Yes, with education. So this state is supported by Munandar 2009 that creatively is a potential talent possessed by everyone that can be found and recognized and developed through proper education. And one subject of education can help to recognize, to found, and to develop the creative thinking ability is in mathematics. Because through mathematical learning, students are expected to have the ability to think logically, analytically, systematically, critically, and creatively, and have the ability to work together. This state from Debdignas 2004. In mathematical learning, can design the way that student that helps student to develop their creative thinking ability. In here, in mathematics, over explore open situation, over context problem, and how to estimate and test student to solve problem and the etc. This is supported by Saran in 2012, says that mathematics offer many opportunities to do creative thinking, to explore open situation, to make estimate and test them with data, to provide compelling problem, and to solve problems that are not routine. About problem solving can help students to develop their creative thinking ability. Okay, problem solving to be the focus in learning mathematics. This is same with ISG FICO 2014, who say that problem solving has become the focus on school mathematics. So in here, problem solving plays an important role in the development of student mathematical creativity. Learning mathematics, student creativity is needed, especially in solving problems that involve student in creative thinking. We can get many pay attention about creative thinking. There are flexibility, fluency, and novelty. This is based on Pehkonen 1999, Krustetsky 1976, and Silver. In before, we know that there are a relationship between creative thinking ability can be developed using problem solving, yes, in mathematics, and in learning mathematics over many kind of problem solving that development of creative thinking ability. So in here, how about mathematical ability of student? In here, we know that the mathematical ability of student has an effect too on his mathematical problem solving ability based on Norman's research. So in here, we get the relationship between creative thinking, problem solving, and mathematical ability of student. And the next about mathematical ability, students with high mathematical abilities have high ability in problem solving. Students with moderate mathematical ability have fairly good problem solving ability, and students who have low mathematical ability have poor problem solving abilities. Okay, in my research planning, the material used in problem solving is sequence and series material, because the use of sequence and series material can represent measurement of the level of student creativity due to the heterogeneous nature of solving this problem. Because in sequence and series material, student can solve the problem with many solving with creative idea to solve this problem in sequence and series material. Ismu Namto and his friend 2012 say that this material sequence and series can be applied directly in everyday life and is also widely used in statistics. Based on the description above, the researcher is encouraged to carry out research on the profile of senior high school students' creative thinking skill in problem solving on sequence and series material based on mathematical ability. And the purpose of study was to profile of senior high school students' creative thinking skill in problem solving on sequence and series material based on mathematical ability. Therefore, researchers will research about first, how is the creative thinking process of high school student in problem solving of sequence and series based on high-level mathematical abilities. Second, how is the creative thinking process of high school students in problem solving of sequence and series based on medium level mathematical abilities? And the third, how is creative thinking process of high school student in problem solving of sequence and series based on low level mathematical ability? Review of literature. In review of literature, we will discuss about a definition of creative thinking. In here, creative thinking based on Labertus 2010 and based on Siswono 2007 that carried out using the Torrance test of creative thinking. The three key components assets in using TTC are fluency, flexibility, and novelty. This is the key that the research will test about the creative thinking of students. Silver explain about the three components about TTCT, fluency, flexibility, and novelty. Okay, the next definition about problem solving. And in here, according to Polya, 1973, there are several steps in solving a problem, including understanding the problem, devising a plan, carrying out the plan, looking back. Definition of mathematical ability. Based on here, about mathematical ability, according to Rafiqi's opinion in Widarti 2013, make the criteria of the level student ability. Yes, in here, high ability if 80, the value of obtained until 100. Moderate ability if 65 until 80, and low ability if in 0 until 65 value. Or we can use the KKM of school, yes, to make criteria the mathematical ability in here. Next, definition of sequence and series, yes, based on Heri Ratnawati and Hernaiti. Okay, about research method. Okay, the research approach used is qualitative. And research step 1, determine the research subject based on mathematical ability, high, medium, low, with the criteria. Yes, with the criteria that explained by Rafiqi's opinion, or using KKM school mathematical ability. And to test the ability to think creatively in solving problem in sequence and series, in the test, including TTCT, yes, 3 component in TTCT. And the next step, conducting interview about student creative thinking process. In here, the research will interview the student about how they solve the problem and how the creative thinking process in student. The research subjects, yes, were taken based on purposive sampling technique. With the subject category consists of 3 categories, namely student with high, medium, and low math ability. In determining this category, a math ability test, yes, was carried out in here in this category. Okay. The data collection technique use the result of mathematical test, creative thinking test, and creative thinking test-based interview. About research instrument, mathematical ability test in the form of multiple choice question and short question on the mathematics material that has been studied. This instrument, the first instrument to choose the student using mathematical ability in high, moderate, or low. And the next, a test of creative thinking skill in the form of problem solving series and sequence and series of arithmetic and geometry. And the next, there is the interview is in the form of analyze question of the result of the problem solving process and the student creative thinking process. Okay, I think it's enough about my presentation about research planning. So I'm sorry for all my mistake. Thank you for your attention. And last, see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.